You want to make change and improve the way your organization operates, but where do you start, and how can you avoid disruption or alienating your workforce? Any digital evolution program should be a strategic, ongoing business initiative that involves people, processes, and technology in that order. Before you invest, investigate. At First Digital, we will guide you through the digital change process using a simple 4-step framework called I.D.E.A. The first step to effective, inclusive change is through inspiration, ambition, and positivity. We help you see the art of the possible. The second step is the design of the project. What does the new change look like, and how will it work? The third step is empowerment. It's vital to allow others within your organization to join you on your change journey. If people feel part of the change, they will commit to it, which makes the fourth, action or implementation stage, a lot easier. To support your digital change process, we have crafted a carefully worded survey for your employees, which enables us to gain valuable opinions and insights from the people working in your business about how and where digital change could be most effective. These surveys can be tailored to focus on specific areas of interest and are conducted at a time to suit your employees' work patterns to ensure minimal disruption to the business. We recall the results to provide actionable insights as we start to understand what improvements to technology, processes, and communication can be made to enhance operations within your business and begin to create the foundations of your digital change strategy. With a clearly defined roadmap for change, First Digital will then start to refine your systems and processes to create efficiencies and improvements in the areas the surveys have highlighted. Once in place, you can monitor your new data to see very clearly the improvements you have made and identify areas for future improvements. To begin your journey with First Digital, visit our website at www.firstdigital.co.uk.